Valorant Van 135 is a connection-related error that typically occurs when the game fails to establish a secure connection with Riot Games servers. This can be due to various reasons, including network issues, software conflicts, or problems with Riot's anti-cheat system Vanguard. Here are the main solutions for this error. First, open your Start menu. Type Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. Locate all the Riot client and Valorant services you can find. Right-click the services and select End Task. Close Task Manager. Open the Start menu and type Run. Click on Run. Type services.msc. Click OK. Locate the VGC service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Press Start. Now launch your game. Open your Start menu and then open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press Yes. Restart your PC to apply the changes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.